Okay, hello. Tableau is some kind of software you use for reporting. You can see some dashboards, you can see some reports, you can create data set and so on. And so for everything you need to do for this kind of purpose. And Tableau Desktop is used for the Windows, and we will just need to use it, download and install. So this video is about it. And yeah, we'll just take a look here, download the Tableau desktop, and yeah, you have some kind of 40-day trial. So let's just put data here, organization and so on, country, I don't care. Yeah, just some random number here, so we don't have to verify, so it's fine. Yeah, job title is manager. Okay, manager. All right, so now it's downloading, and yeah, while it's downloading, we can see some kind of how it's used, Tableau images. So the dashboards from Tableau are very diverse, and you can customize in very different ways. And for example, it's used like this here. Look at the design, and every customization options for those kind of systems are very unique and fine. So it's conquering against Power BI desktop, right? Because Power BI is the direct different competitor about it. So yeah, in general, those two, and maybe you also have ClickSense, ClickView. Yeah, those three are kind of the big ones. The Looker, your Google Looker, you can also put into the Speckable. Yeah, so it's finally downloaded, and we have the 14-day trial about it. So let's just try to install it on our machine, and I will just show you through about of the basic thing after the installation. And yeah, I've wrapped the terms install, and yes. There you go. It's using the 2025.3 option. Tableau. Yes. Okay, so we have here the trial, and we're just using it here. Continue trial, and now we have here the basic starting point of the app, and now we have some kind of here options for file selection. So Microsoft Excel for some kind of yeah, trial how it will look, and so you can just load here into the data, and then you have see some this is some random data I was just downloading from this year. So right, download some random Excel data, and you can do it here, for example. And yeah, this is the interface. You can work with it now, and Tableau. So if you find with this, you can try a little bit more, and get used to it. In general, it's some kind of widely used thing. So many different enterprise have this in their tech stack. So it might not be bad idea to get used to that kind of yes, software. So thank you for looking video, and goodbye. See you later on in some kind of else state, and yeah, make good, and see you later. Bye.